for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I have my lovely wife, Kitten, with me.
Hi.
She's on the show.
Yeah.
We're going to do this. This is A1, AKko, Bihun Kari Laksa. So it's curry laksa. I've done the wheat noodle version of this in the past, and it's hit a top 10 list. So let's dispense with the pleasantries and make it so. So what do you want to talk about?
No, what do you want to talk about?
I was thinking, since we have a shared enjoyment of watching Judge Judy, we should talk about Judge Judy and how she dresses down people who are idiots.
Yeah, she's good at that.
She really is. It's fun. If you're not from the States or able to view such a program, it's a show basically about it's a courtroom thing, and yeah.
And crazy people go on there for ridiculous reasons, and then she shuts them down.
Yeah.
Tells them they're crazy without just saying they're crazy.
And they generally are crazy. She's in her right mind.
Oh, she is, for sure.
How old is she?
I think she's in her 80s.
Yeah. She doesn't take any crap.
No.
But I like the stuff like when she's saying things like, there's somebody
is not an answer.
Yeah.
It's yes or no.
But she gets pissed. I mean, just like violently pissed off at people. I've been doing this for blah 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 years. It's like this old angry Jewish dwarfish lady who just does not take an ounce of BS from anybody.
Don't look down, look here.
Uncross your arms, sir. Yeah, don't look at him. Don't look at him.
Don't talk to him.
Yeah.
Don't talk to them. I'm the one who gets to ask the question.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Don't give me an attitude. I'm the only one with attitude in this courtroom. Yeah, she gets pissed. It's great. But it's like, it's such common sense crap, you know?
It is.
It's like these people just don't get it. And she'll like yell at them, and they'll just do the same thing again and again and again.
Yeah, but I liked the one about the lady with her wig.
Oh yeah, what was the
How
deal with the
this
wig lady?
was making wigs, and the lady went and bought one, obviously, and got it, and it wasn't right, so she wanted her money back, so she went and took the wig back, and they were trying to get her to just remake it, but they were going to have her pay for installation again, which was $200, and that's a lot of money. That's what they call it.
That's so weird.
And so the lady was really upset, but she didn't give her a refund, and she didn't give her the wig back. So she had like $800 of this lady's money and this wig that she could do whatever she wanted with. And it's like, in what world, as like a business person, do you think that somebody is going to buy a product, give it back to you, and then you still get to keep their money?
Yeah.
It's like, you gotta do one or the other. You gotta say, no, sorry, we
Yeah.
can't take returns, and make her keep it, or take it back and give her money back.
It's just
not
funny.
something that should be that difficult to figure out.
Yeah. I don't know.
Same thing with, like,
There's so much of that kind of crap on that show too. And
Yeah.
It's just like people don't.
the people who have video of your dog attacking the other dog, and they still don't want to pay the vet bills.
Yeah.
Try to blame it on the person with the dog that was under control, or people.
We watch that a lot. We watch what's that show called? Night Watch?
Night Watch.
We've been watching that. Watching a lot of baseball.
Yeah.
Kit has a prize or an award for, she was in the newspaper for baseball, for softball, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Softball.
Softball.
He was a catcher. That's pretty snazzy.
Oh,
I played T-ball. I played T-ball. But lately we've been going out walking, and she's been walking like
this.
Yeah, she's been walking well.
Walking around.
She has. You have. Where did I put the phone? This. Oh, yeah, you have to look. There. Now you can look.
You should put your face ice over it. And then steam that.
Yeah. It's hot.
What's that one?
This one is
Milk.
kind of like a pretend coconut milk. It's not coconut milk. It's non-dairy creamer, other stuff. But this one ends up being this laksa is it's a curry laksa, and it has a nice kind of a cumin bump to it. It's good. It is good. They're calling it a Singaporean style. Hopefully they haven't changed their recipe, because this might make me revisit the top 10 rice noodle list. See, I don't see anything in the ingredients that mention wheat. So I'd really love to be able to make a gluten-free list, but that's a tricky thing. Unless it has like vegan, really at this point wouldn't be too hard, because there's so many products that like have this national vegan group logo on them, so they've been vetted by them.
Yeah, but even if it's a vegan or whatever, it's gluten-free.
No, definitely not, especially if it's got a wheat noodle in it. But if it's got a rice noodle in it, that's at least, the rice noodle is not going to have any gluten in it. But if you didn't know, Kit enjoys the gluten-free lifestyle.
I don't know about enjoys, but I definitely don't like my joints hurting. So it's kind of not an option, I guess, unless I want to be died. Died.
Yeah. Pain is not fun.
Not that kind of pain.
All right, I didn't put the little spicy sachet in it, so you get to try.
It's really hot.
It's really hot, yeah. Here you go. Pony up to that pot and give it a taste there, giggity giggity.
I don't really like curry either, though.
This stuff's good. At least it was last time. Ugh. Look at that. Styling.
That's spicy. I need something.
You need a beverage that's... I got pudding.
Okay, give me a pudding. Oh, my mouth is on fire.
Pudding and spoon.
I also don't do spicy very well, obviously.
You tried it. But yeah, you don't want a facial fire.
No.
Oh, we lost the magnet out of that.
You don't have to hang it up there.
Alright, now we're gonna actually make it spicy.
And that makes it spicier?
Yeah.
Holy Jesus.
I've got more spicy stuff to add in too.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know, but it's good.
What is that, like chili powder?
Yeah, I think it's just like a little bit of chili. You know, I did last night, folks. I made my dinner, which was a can of Progresso soup and some rice. Ah, thank you. And I went and added some hot sauce, at least I thought so, to it. And it was actually like sesame chili oil. And it was like I had to throw out my dinner because I wasn't even going down that heartburn road. That did not sound like a good thing. Noodle. Cheers. Mmm. And broth. That's good. What's nice about it too is while it is spicy, it doesn't have a bitter back to it. It's got a nice sting. It's alert. It has eyesight.
Does it have 3 eyes so you can see up behind the back of its head?
It has... If you like laksa, this one isn't... It doesn't have any funk to it. And it's Yeah, if you like curry, you're gonna like go, wow, this is a good one. And the whole bowl like this is like 340 calories, which really is pretty decent for something like this. But by the time I'm done with this, there's going to be more. So there's that. Stick our balls in there. Well,
Yours.
I'll stick my balls in there. A little bit of dodo fish ball. We gotta egg it. Egg it on.
Egg, egg.
Which ones?
I love egg.
How does the song go?
Wiggle,
Wiggle, yellow middle. Perfect in every way. I love you, eggs. White and tender surrounds the center. Da 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 da.
I love you, eggs.
It's a Korean song. Very strange song about eggs.
I like it. It's catchy.
The video for it's pretty good too.
It's pretty funny.
We've been singing that song for how much? Like 10 years now?
A lot.
Yeah. But we are never silly.
Never.
Never.
Why do you do that?
Because I like to. Yeah. I really don't have any. I don't like to make too much of a.
Too much of a.
The stemmy.
Yeah.
Stemming. Unstem. A misstemming.
Misstemming.
Miles has homework now.
Yeah.
What am I throwing in here? A little bit of crushed. Whoa, I didn't put the lid on that right. Little crushed red pepper there. We're gonna add some of the love sludge. If you've never heard of it, just look up Laogan Moss Spicy Chili Crisp. It's what I like to call love sludge. It's basically everything you love about food. But we're afraid to ask, I guess. I don't know. And we will add a little bit of seed. And then, oh, and I got something extra today to put in. We have some crisp onions. You can find these on the area of salad. The salad area. Do you have a salad area? Look in, comment in the comments below to talk about your salad area. What? Some people have one of those.
A personalized salad bar.
Personal, you know, you go and toss their salads and. And you know what? I'm gonna go one step further. If I can find it. And it shouldn't be too hard to find. I can't find it.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my little oil stuffings.
Oh, you don't keep them on the counter over here? Saw one over here not that long ago.
There's like the one with the little squirty, squeegee dealy deal. It's like a little tiny thingy of the Leyu.
The muffins.
Two muffins?
Look under the muffins. The English muffins.
Ah. No, those are flour food. No, it's just like the little jar with the little squirty squirt.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I want to say it's up here. Sorry, folks, we're getting to you, but we're kind of busy with each other right now. But eventually we'll get to what you might be interested in. Quite honestly, you're a secondary bystander in this great magical thing here. Here, I found it. We'll add a little bit of that there. Now, that's, yeah. Look at that, folks.
I'm a helper.
Indeed. All right, well, thank you very much for joining me and the beautiful Kit for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. If you want to, be a person, like and subscribe, and then go and spend $500 on the top tier of membership. You should do that, shouldn't they?
I think so.
Yeah, and then you can run the show for 7 days.
Sounds fair.
Yeah, could be weird.
Yeah, it would be weird.
They're gonna make me eat Maruchan soy sauce ramen with peanut butter and jelly in it, or maybe
Or a fish head.
or a fish head. I'd do it. Remember when we had fish head curry our first?
It was good.
Yeah, hallucinatory fish head curry. Next time on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans, and this has been
Kit.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.